Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to be unboxing my new Dr.Martens that I got after such a long time of wanting them. They're finally here and I already tried them on, but I wanted to do a video, so here we go. So this is how the box looks like. I ordered my shoes from the main Dr.Martens site and I got the original Icon 1460 in black smooth, and I'm a size 40 and I'm in between sizes, so I sized down as I did a lot of research about the size, but I had already tried these shoes in another store, so yeah, 40 is good for me. So let's go ahead and unbox them. Here we have the shoe and I think it's perfect. I love the general look of the classic Dr.Martens 1460. I love them in black and also in maroon. I love the texture of it, and the soles, they're supposed to be very comfortable. They say with bouncing soles. Yep, with bouncing soles, yeah. And the iconic yellow stitching of the shoe, perfect. Let's unbox the other shoe. So I've always wanted these shoes, I think since I saw Miley Cyrus wearing nothing but her Dr.Martens on Wrecking Ball. They stood out for me, and since then I just wanted to have a pair, and here we are. So let's try these shoes on. So if you're like me, then you will do your research before buying these shoes. These are the kind of shoes that you need to know the pros and cons, because it's not very easy to break into the Dr.Martens shoes. But I think the pros outweigh the cons because these shoes are perfect. And I hope I can get away without any blisters. So I went ahead and got myself the thickest socks I could find. These are my mountain socks and they're fluffy, so I hope they do the trick. So the shoes fit pretty well even with the thick socks on. A little bit hard to bend, but I know that will change with time. They're very light, not chunky at all, and I have to say they're very, very comfortable, and I can't wait to walk around the city in them. Let's get a close-up. So that's it for the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to post a review after a week of breaking into them. And if you like to see that, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Ciao. Oh, and if you also want to see me styling these shoes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave all the links below. Bye.